Good morning, it's a new day, it's a brand new video, and today I'm headed to a town called Mani, just outside of Mangalore, and I'm particularly excited because we're going to be cooking up a very special monsoon dish. And first, I'm going to go and pick my own ingredients. So I'll see you there. So we have reached Mani, and I am with Vinita Akka. Hi Akka.
Hi.
On her beautiful farm. And what I'm super excited about today's dish is that we are actually going to pick our ingredients fresh from the farm and the field around us, and we are here to pick out the first one, and that is the basale, one of the most traditional vegetables, one of our favorite vegetables of all Mangaloreans. Vinita is going to cut it for us, and this is the Malabar spinach, guys. I'm not going to reveal the dish yet, but this is definitely going into it. So Vinita, can we cut a few branches that we need? Amazing. So does this grow on everyone's fields generally, or?
Yeah, most of the village there is a one basale, dumpa,
yeah. So this shed that you created is called a dumpa.
Yeah.
Oh, lovely. I love basale. So I've had kudu basale a lot during the summers. And
sometimes we try prawns.
Dry prawns also, right? Prawns also that go into it. That's amazing. Is this going to be enough?
Enough.
I think it's going to be enough.
Yeah.
So we actually turn it into this. In the market, when you find it, they'll keep it like this, right? Like a circle. Onji kattile. Onji kattile incha. Crown lekka dioli. Mandada mitti. It choke to leaves. So let's move on. We've got our basale. We are moving on to pick out our next ingredient. So I'll see you there. Alright, so I have come to the paddy fields to pick out my next ingredient, which is the main ingredient for the dish, and I'm super excited, so let's go. Okay, so Vinita is here helping me pick out the ingredients. I'm so excited. I'm going to try and see if I can find. I got one. You got? Oh my god, that is so exciting. Alright, I got one. Okay guys, this is the big reveal. We are cooking snails. I am so excited. So this is known as narte. And it is a delicacy here. It is a monsoon speciality. Alright, I'm going to keep searching. So I'm here just cleaning the basale. I'm just removing the leaf from the stem for now. What you need to concentrate on what Vinita is doing. She's actually cleaning the snails. So Vinita actually encha clean malpunnamma undu.
Netta back side na encha kattidu.
Okay.
Darpudu. Darpudanaga ante open up appundu.
And avdu eg malpunu.
Avu ee gasi pura ulai sari waitundu.
Okay. So what she's saying is, you take the backside of the snail. So that is actually cut using a knife or a katti, and you just open it up a little and then put it into clean water for it to get clean. So the reason you do this is so that all of the masalas get soaked into it when it's cooking, and it gives a really delicious taste. So this cleaning, we are actually just going to boil it in some salty water so that it gets cleaned, it gets boiled, and it will. The mouth of this snail will be released after that, and we'll just throw that out, and then we will make the basale kajipu. So we came inside because it got really hot, and they say that it's good to learn something new every day, and today I'm learning how to clean snails. So here I am grinding the masala in this giant, almost 25-year-old mortar and pestle, and it's pretty simple actually. You just have your roasted chilies, roasted coriander, and a little bit of methi that goes into it, and you put in a little bit of coconut, tamarind, turmeric, garlic. There's no onion, no tomato that goes into this curry, and I'm just going to be grinding it now into a nice fine paste. Alright, this is as traditional as it can get, guys, and we are ready, I think, to start with our preparation. ವಿನಿತಕ್ಕ ದಾದಿ ಮಲ್ತುವಿಲ್ಲ ಐತೆ
ಇತ್ತೆ ಯಾನ್ ಸುರು ನರ್ತೇನ ಬೇಯರದಿ ಓಡು
Okay.
ಒಂತೆ ಉಪ್ಪುಲ ಒಂತೆ ನೀರ್ಲ ಬಾಡ್ದು
Okay, so it's just salt, water, snails. Put it on for a boil and it's good to go. 15 minutes there, and I'll just tell you what else has been made ready here. Basale.
ಬಸಳೆ ಯಾನ್ ತುಂಬೆ ಬೇಯ್ಪಯೆ
Okay.
ಬೇಯ್ಪದಿತ್ತೆ
Okay.
ನೆಕ್ಲ ಒಂತೆ ಉಪ್ಪು ನೀರ್ಲ ಕಡಿಮೆ ನಿಕ್
Okay. So because the Malabar spinach is actually a very watery vegetable, it will release a lot of water when it boils. So you just cook it with a little bit of water. It will release all the liquid and you're going to save that liquid. So the liquid of the basale and the nalte is going to go into your curry because that's where all of the flavor is, correct? For all the flavor is in that, so make sure that you don't discard it and keep it on the side. And we've got our masala there. Now one last question I want to ask. ನರತೆ ಇತ್ತು ಜಿಡಾದಾದೆ ಮಲ್ಪುನು ಜನಕುಲೆಂಕ ಅವು ಸುರುಟ್ ಕೇಂದ್ರ ಇಲ್ಲೇರು ಎಂಕಲೆಂಗ್ ಮೂಲ್ ನರತೆ ತಿಕ್ಕುನು ಹೋಲು
ನರ್ತೆ ಇಜ್ಜಿನ ಮರುವೆ ಆಪ್ಷನ್
Oh great. So guys, if you all don't have snails, you can replace it with clams as well. So you can use either snails if you get it. During monsoons, a very rare opportunity. If you're going to get it, try it once at least. So our snails have boiled, and this is what Akka was telling me, that when it leaves the mouth will kind of discard itself. That is the covering on top. That means it's ready. And now what are we going to do next?
ನಮ್ಮ ಇತ್ತೆ ನೆನಕ್ಕೆ ಪಾಡೋಡು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು
Okay. Pura narate nettu padu masala. So we've put the masala on the fire, and we are just going to be adding the snails onto it. And after that, I think we'll be adding the Malabar spinach into it. It's that simple. There's no fuss. You just have your masala, you have the freshest ingredients possible, and you make this deliciousness. So great. So in the full there,
ಪಾಡ್ದ ಅಡೀತ ನಂತರ ಪಾಡ್ನ ಹೊಚ್ಚಿ
okay. So you just have to be careful that you don't put the bottom bits, from the pan into it. If you don't have experience like Akka here, I would suggest that you strain the water out, take out all of the coverings, and then kind of add it to your mix. There you go, Ayuba. Nice. Awesome. So this is something that should not, come. So the mouth of the snail, let me just pick that up and show you. So this is something that you don't want in your curry, and you need to make sure that you discard it as soon as it's done. And now we are going to put the Malabar spinach and the water into it. And it's very funny because I actually assumed that it would have a very strong smell. Nikku vasane dala ijji actually. It's very nice. It's just it's got a very nice salty kind of. Obviously I know because of the salt water, but it has a very fresh aroma. The snails, and I'm quite surprised actually because I've had snails before and it was not like this. Maybe because I didn't prepare it like this and they were not as fresh. But there you go. We have our masala, our Malabar spinach, and we are just going to wait for this to boil.
Yeah,
That's it?
that's it.
Perfect. So lid padode. So lunch is ready. This beautiful meal cooked by Vinita Akka. And now just for time to go and find a beautiful spot to eat this. Oye. Alright, now this is what I call a lunch with a view. And I'm going to dig in, but first, Akka, you have to show me ಒಂದು ತಿನ್ಪಿನಿ ಎಂಚ.
ಇಂಥದೆತ್ತ ನೋಡು ಬಾಯಿಗೆ ಇಂಥ ಪಾಡ್ರು
Okay.
ಫುಲ್ ವೆಲ್ಪುಡು
Ooh. Oh wow. I actually thought that there would be a very strong gamey flavor to this, but it's very very similar to clams. Marve lekkane taste ate.
ಅಂಚನೆ
And so fresh. Oh my god. Guys, you have to try this. If you have access to snails during the monsoons, please try it once. If you don't, like I told you, make this with clams and eat it. And it's an amazing, amazing recipe. That's how you can eat it. You can use a toothpick as well
Yeah.
to remove it. I'm sorry, guys. I can't talk much more. I'm going to eat this. We are going to enjoy our lunch, and I will see you next time. Bye bye. Actually like it.